Let's see how we can create a pivot table in Google Sheets. We have the Google Sheet pivot table open and it has the data we require. In column A, we have the serial number, using the sequence function with rows 80, columns 1, start 1, and step 1. In column B, we have quarter, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Column C is sales, where we have sales in million US dollars. The sales data is given. In column D, we have product information. We have product 1, product 2, product 3, and product 4. In column E, we have zone, north, central, west, east, and south. Suppose we want to create a pivot table for this data. First, we need to head to the Insert tab. From there, select Pivot Table. A pop-up Create Pivot Table is visible. Data range is already taken as Sheet 1, A1 to E81. If it's not taken automatically, we need to select this range. Insert To, we will change from the default New Sheet to Existing Sheet. We will select Sheet 1 G1 cell. Click OK. And click Create. A pivot table editor pops up, where we can add rows, columns, values and filters. Suppose we add quarter in rows. The order is ascending. Change the order to descending. Let's change it back to ascending. In columns, let's add zone. In values, let's add sales, million USD. Let's close the pivot table editor. We get the quarter and zone-wise sales for all products. Let's edit this pivot table. We will add product in rows, so we can get the quarter, zone, and product-wise sales. Let's close the pivot table editor. We get for quarter 1, product 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter 2, product 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter 3, product 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter 4, product 1, 2, 3, 4, sales data. Let's edit this pivot table. Suppose, we do not want all products, we just want data for product 1. In filters we can add product. The status instead of showing all items, we can click clear and then select only product 1 and click OK. Let's close the pivot table editor. We see that we get the sales data for product 1 only. Let's edit this pivot table. In filters, the status is showing 1 item, we can select all 4 and click OK. The status changes to showing all items. In values, summarize by a sum for our case, other options like count, count, count unique, average, max, min, median, product, standard deviation of a population, variance of a population can be used. Let's close the pivot table editor. With this, we have successfully learned how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.